Do you want to save your crypto wallets from scam or hacker? Yes, if you want to save your amount from scam or hacker, you must watch this video till end. In this video, we are going to create a multiple wallets in MetaMask. Yes, if you have your multiple wallets, you can save your amount in partially. Okay, so how can you do? This is so simple and easy. Please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So here, as you can see here, I have already installed MetaMask in my browser, and today we are going to create a multiple wallets, because when you have create one accounts and you want to also create a multiple wallets, so this video is going to very informative for you. I have opened my MetaMask wallet, going to enter my password here for create my multiple wallets. Now you can see here I have create my MetaMask wallet, and you can see here my main MetaMask wallet is open front of me, and many coin is available here. But today we are going to create a multiple wallets. So what will I do? First, I need to open my notepad file, because I need to save backup phrases of my multiple wallets. You can see here I have already saved my private key in my notepad file. In my last video, we have discussed how we can export private key. If you have not watched, simple go to my YouTube channel and watch last video. Okay, so today we are going to create a multiple wallets. You can see here left top corner there is accounts available here, accounts, and we have only one account. This is our main account, which is we have already created, and I have already take the backup of this account. But today we are going to create a multiple account. So what will I do? Simple is that you can see here there is add account option available here. I just simple click on it. Now account is available here. Now again, yes, now you can create more accounts, 5, 6. I have created a multiple account on this MetaMask. But stay, when you create a multiple wallets, so you must have backup phrases of your all wallets. This is very necessary for you if you want to save your amount. Okay, let's suppose you want to send your wallet address to other person who want to send the money. If you have all balance in your one wallet, so that person properly understand how much you money have this time. So if you have create a multiple wallets and you save your amount in partially, so no one knows about your full amount or total cryptocurrency. Okay, now you can see here I have create 1 2 3 4 5 6 wallets. So first I need to get the backup of my seed phrases and also get the private key. First you can see here seed phrases available here. To reveal your recover phrases, you need to correctly answer 2 questions. Okay, let's start. If you lose your secret recovery phrases, MetaMask can't help you. Right now, one can help get your secret recovery phrases back. Going to click on continue. Yes, you've been scammed. Now correct. Now make sure nobody is looking at your screen. MetaMask support will never ask to this. So I'm going to enter my password here. First, I need to get recovery phrases. Now click on show and copy. Now going to open notepad file and type here or paste here wallet number 2 and paste here. This is my all secret phrases number wallet 2, and I will also get the private key of my this wallet. Same scenario, enter password here and confirm. Now going to copy all tokens private key one by one. So paste here private key and type here ETH. Okay, this is my wallet number 2. All information I type here. Now going to next. and now you can see here we have get the wallet number 2 information. Now going to click on third wallet. You can use same method which is I have already told you in this video. Simple, go to the button and after that click on three dot. Now going to click on account details and you can get same private key, get the from this option. Also you get the seed phrases and then you just copy or type all phrases and private key on this notepad file. After stop this video I will make the multiples copy of this information because sometime I need to recover or restore my account, so must I have this information. So now the second topics we are going to cover in this video. Let's suppose we have create a multiple wallets, okay, but I can't confirm which wallet is I am going to use, so I just need to rename my wallets. So where you can rename your wallet, okay, this is so simple and easy. Let's suppose this wallet name is account 2, account 3, account 4, account 5, but I need to set the name reference with any other user. Like I'm going to first of all create or account details. Now you can see a account name you can change from here. Account 2, let's suppose I'm going to type here any name, Rauf wallet. Simple click on confirm. Now you can see here wallet name is changed. And if I'm going to change one more wallet name, same, click on account rename option. Using for exchange. Okay, you can see here. Now we can easily find which wallet we are going to use. Let's suppose I want to deposit from exchange, so I will use this wallet. And let's suppose I want to deposit personally in my wallet, so I will use this wallet. So you can easily rename your wallet from this MetaMask main interface. So I hope you properly understand how can you create multiple wallets in your MetaMask and how can you rename your wallet from the MetaMask interface. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you face any problem regarding this, you can comments below this video. I will read your comments and I hope I will resolve your problem. You can also send email to my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.